big blue tool. So anyway, I had a big toolbox over there, and my neighbor-in-law went, I'm not putting the wheels on it. I got it just sitting on my little specialty tool. Dude, I really appreciate it. By the time I'm done today, all this shit will be done. Break that middle red toolbox out. Finish cleaning the shelf out. Yeah. Watch the news, I'm sure you'll probably see her on it. So she's going to top these holes up. She's pulling all these things off so these roaches get behind. I did to the cabinet last night. I was gonna make it look like a galaxy, but Dana doesn't want me to put the blues in it, man. That's what the cabinets look like before, man. They look like shit, but they look rough and comfortable. We're gonna do the same thing to the walls, look around the ceiling. So I can invite my boss man over to my shit. So that's pretty much the finished product right there. Oh man, I just done this because this is where the refrigerator is. So that's what we got so far. Looking pretty good.